The title of this lesson is Bird Goes Home. Bird goes home. Bird goes home. Y yo sé que usted va a continuar aprendiendo a lo largo de esta lección. Let's go ahead. Quiero empezar diciendo que this is a bird. Here is the same bird. Y que birds can fly. Así como dogs can run, swim, dig, jump, and do other actions, birds can fly. Birds can fly. 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 Esta palabra denota la acción que está ejecutando este bird. Fly. The bird is flying. En este momento, este bird is flying. This bird is flying. Fly. Y fly es una de las formas de go. Recuerde que go se puede hacer de muchas maneras. El desplazamiento de un lugar a otro se puede hacer de muchas maneras. Y fly es una de las maneras como se puede go. Por eso, esta lección enfatizará sobre go, el verbo go. Bird goes home. Hay muchas maneras de go. Y flying es una de las maneras de go. This bird is flying. Can you fly? Can you fly? This bird can fly. Because birds can fly. I cannot fly. I suppose you cannot fly either. Ahora pasemos al desarrollo de la lección. The bird goes over the tree. This bird goes over this tree. This is a tree. This is a bird. Over se usa en este contexto porque este bird está ubicado por encima de este tree sin hacer contacto con él. De otra manera puedo decir, this bird can go over the tree. Si quisiera hacer referencia a la ability, the ability of the bird to go over the tree. O en lugar de go, podríamos hacer énfasis en la manera como go. This bird flies over the tree. This bird goes over the tree. This bird can go over the tree. This bird flies over the tree. Or this bird is flying over the tree. Si atendemos a la descripción del acto que se está ejecutando en el momento. This bird can go over the tree. This bird flies over the tree. This bird is flying over the tree en este instante. Or the bird goes over the tree. Vamos a intentar hacer lo mismo con los otros enunciados. The bird goes over the farm. This is a farm. En una oración previa ya vimos que es una farm. Y vimos que son farm animals. The bird goes over the farm. Ahora usted puede construir los otros enunciados. This bird, this farm. This bird goes over the farm. This bird can go over the farm para expresar the ability, the bird's ability to go over the farm. This bird flies over the farm. Usted escríbalo, por favor. Yo no voy a escribirlo. This bird is flying over the farm. This bird can fly over the farm. Paso a la siguiente página. This is the same bird. The same bird, but this time the bird goes over the city. The bird goes over the city. This is a city. A city. Remember that there are many cities in our country, Colombia. The bird goes over the city. This bird can go over the city. This bird can fly over the city. This bird is flying over the city. Now on page number 6, I can see the bird goes over the street. The street. The street. The street. ¿Recuerda la lección de city? Recuerda que dijimos que there are many streets in the city. Y sobre las streets van los cars. And the people too. The bird goes over the city. This bird can go over the city. This bird can fly over the city. This bird is flying over the city. Now let's turn to the next page. Here is the same bird, but this time the bird goes over the tables. We can see 2 tables. 1, 2 tables. The bird goes over the table. This bird can go over the tables. This bird can fly over the tables. This bird is flying over the tables. On page 8 is the same bird, but the bird goes over the cars. The bird goes over the cars. This bird goes over the cars. This bird can go over the cars. This bird can fly over the cars. This bird is flying over many cars. On page 9 is the same bird. It is not a different bird, but this time the bird goes over the mountains. Here are the mountains. There are many mountains in Colombia. The mountains. This bird goes over the mountains. This bird can go over the mountains. This bird can fly over the mountains. This bird is flying over the mountains. And finally, on page 10 is the same bird, and the bird goes home. Home, donde vive el bird. El bird vive en su home. Home. Usted y yo tenemos un home. Home, donde vivimos con nuestras familias. Aquí es the bird lives with his or her babies. Here we can see 2 babies, the baby birds. And this is the home of the birds. The home of the birds. What is your home? My home is in Jamundí Valle, Colombia. The bird goes home. This bird goes home. This bird can go home. This bird is going home. Home. Home, sweet home. Hay un proverbio, un dicho que dice home, sweet home. Déjeme escribirlo. Home, sweet home. Home, sweet home. Home is very sweet. Okay, and now we are going to the activities to this lesson.